Here's an import to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics, drop top to boot. 1999 Porsche 911 Carrera. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed original miles, 88,172 on the odometer right now. Original California car. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. Powered by the 3.4 liter flat 6 dual overhead cam engine that is located in the rear of the car, of course. Storage area up front. And check out the still pictures. This will come with the windscreen, spare tire, manuals, owner's manual, service manual. That's all in the still pictures. We'll have them up front in the storage area. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can check out all the still pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the correct wheels. As you can see, disc brakes behind with drilled rotors, and that's at all four corners. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. Ocean blue metallic with Savannah leather interior. Tiptronic automatic transmission. Should be a 5-speed if I remember correctly. Porsche experts out there, I believe this car was $80,000 give or take, and think back in 1999. Of course, bucket seats up front. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up. Let you hear it run. We'll take a little peek at that engine bay. Of course, the 2+2 seating in these. And as you can also see, blue cloth. Convertible top. That is power. Functions as it should. I will show you that going up and down also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. Few touch-ups here or there. If you can see that one or not. There's one in the hood I'll point out when we get around to that side. Paint shows well, has a nice shine to it. And considering, again, this car's 1999 with a few miles on it. Appears to be well taken care of. Once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. Well, the underside interior, that engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Porsche, import cars, convertibles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just like checking out cars, you never know what you may see come through Unique Specialty and Classics. All these vehicles are available to purchase when they're uploaded to our YouTube channel, either online or right off our showroom floor. There's a little spot you can see in the hood that I pointed out was touched up, but nothing, again, major up and down the driver's side. Again, maybe just a real small imperfection here or there, a touch-up. It's one of those cars. Get in, drive it, have some fun, enjoy your summer months. Top down. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. And again, I believe this is a Savannah colored leather interior. Door panels. Of course, the release for both the hood and the trunk there. Memory seating, power seats over here on the driver's side. Guess the leather is wearing as it should. Just your kind of wrinkles from the natural hide as it does wear over time. Here's what I'm talking about, the Tiptronic, where you can actually shift using the steering column, the tap shift, so to speak. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Listen to it, and again, we'll check out the engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's the exact miles, 88,172. Battery gauge, tack working. It was a cold start, as you can see. Sliding over here, oil pressure. Climate control. Stereo working as should. Top of the dash. looks good. There is also a changer up in the front storage compartment, just so you know. Also has heated seats. And again, that power top. It's cool how these fold up to where they're at. You're gonna see that here in just a second. Sounds as you'd expect. All right, let me pause this 1 second. I want to get this thing ready for the top to go up and down so you can actually see that. And we'll do a little wrap-up walk around and check out that top when I get done. But stick around to the very end. You're going to see us drive this car. And there you got a good view of the top functioning, going up. And I tell you what, when we're done taking a peek at it, I'll take it back down too, just so you can see that. And here it is, again, blue fabric. Seen the side glass roll up, that's a nice tight fit, just like it should be. Rear window clear, not a problem there. No rips, tears, holes. If you need it to keep you out of the sun or maybe a brief shower, it will serve its purpose just fine. And there you go. And I will do it one time going down at the very end. 1999 Porsche 911 Carrera here at uniqueclassiccars.com, 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. And before we take it for a drive, let's quick show you guys the top going down, and we'll wrap this video up. Sorry about that, I almost forgot. Told you to check out this engine bay. Being that it's the rear of the car, you just walk around to the hood. Forgot all about it. A little tough to see a lot in there, but you get the idea. Again, 3.4 liter, dual overhead cam, flat six. They're just shy of 300 horse. Car has a good top speed, I think somewhere in the neighborhood of 175 to 180. And nice and clean and tidy, as you can see. Again, that's what you'd expect in a well-taken car. All right, now stick around. We'll take this car for a drive, wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1999 Porsche 911. How do you say it? Porsche? Porsche? One of them's correct, I would think. Very smooth running car. It has that European sound. It's very smooth. Accelerates wonderfully, as you might expect. Now this is an automatic on the center console, but you can also bump it over to manual and use Triptronic, which is kind of like a paddle shifter, but you hit them with your thumbs. Up and down, left or right. Fun to drive that way too. The Porsche factory stereo. That is sounding good. All our gauges are working right. The battery is charging almost 14 volts. Temperature is currently about 170. Fuel tank showing 3/4 of a tank. Factory tachometer working, and we do have a miles per hour gauge, thankfully, as opposed to kilometers. Oil pressure is also working well, about 3/4 of the way up the gauge. Brakes are excellent. And you can guess it's going to corner excellent as well. Very nice. You can take the corners fast, and it likes to do that. Very fun to accelerate in this car. This is a convertible, which I may have failed to mention, and we do have the top up today. Simple push of a button, the top takes itself all the way up and all the way down. Leather bucket seats, everything you could want in a Porsche is in this car. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.